Oh. Is this a sound check?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so let's sound check. Check sound, sound, check.
Dude.
Unfortunately, not as much dude. But okay. Yeah, okay. That was the sound check,
That's
I guess.
it?
Yeah, that's all they're giving us.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
That doesn't make me want to see the movie. That just makes me upset.
Yeah. And to be fair, I hated Commando 2.
Oh,
Hated.
sorry.
Way too many cuts in the fight scenes, and way too much plot getting in the way of the story.
Bummer.
There was like one thing I would call a good fight, and it was like 10 seconds long. And then it turned out later that they were on the same side.
Oh. So what's that sound like?
What's that sound like? Only got the two of us, so, you know. Doesn't
Sorry.
make sense to do the full set of videos.
I just have to,
Hopefully we'll have more for you next week, including, of course, the Junglee trailer. I just didn't want to do that without without at least 3 people here, you know?
yeah.
I mean, it's Video Jumwall. I mean, I know the Commando 3 announcement isn't going to do much for you guys, but...
Didn't do much for us either.
No.